Workshop Wednesday, everybody. Did you forget what I look like? I dang near forgot what y'all look like. Been a while. We've been busy. Look at Eli over there. Can y'all see him? I can't see the camera. I see the end of the camera. Yeah, he's picking on me. He's laughing. We've been busy. Me and Eli, we've been socializing, having a big old time. Had people in the shop. That was cool. Little TCA pep rally, and it was cool. We had a large time, and lots of swapping ideas and cool stuff. And then I had TCA fellowship. Amy Erickson was here. Shout out to Amy. She did wonderful. Poor girl had to put up with me for 4 days, but that was fun. We did all kind of. It was exhausting. We did a lot of thinking. She was hard on me. I'm kidding. It was fun. Anyhow, I'm sitting here. I'll show you what I'm doing. Look at that glare. Isn't that glare cool? Working on TCA bit. Look at that. I got me a new jig. T. Roy Flayhardy got me a new jig, new cool deal. And this right here, it's a magnet. So watch this. I can just reposition and go, but it's stout. I'm engraved. I can engrave on it, and I can take it off this little jig here, go flat. The reason I got it at an angle is because under the microscope, it's only looking straight down. So doing these beveled edges that we got here, I need to have them flat under the scope. Otherwise, my hand gets tired holding my ball crooked like that and all that business. So anyhow, got that. I'm going to show that on Patreon here in a minute. And on Patreon, you do the videos like this. Whoop, did y'all get dizzy? Well, on Instagram, I gotta keep it straight up and down for the camera. Eli taught me that. He's smart. Y'all don't know. Eli's smart. He's a smart guy. So anyhow, I did a jig like this. Troy had a cool deal, and he showed me how to make it, and it was really cool. And he also want to show me the magnet deal, but his magnet deal didn't work too good for me. I bought a little precision magnet block to go on a vise for machining, and it didn't work. My magnet works. It's good. It's a little stronger. Anyhow, y'all been listening to the podcast? Me and Schwartzy, we've been rambling on. We've had all kinds of cool guests. The last couple of weeks, we've been nipping it tight. We've been late. I think that's the verbiage I'm supposed to. We've been late. It's not at 7 o'clock Monday morning that we're posting it, but it's coming in. We've been recording on Monday mornings, and so I ain't getting it posted and all that business. But anyhow, we'll get caught back up. Holidays was good. We had plenty of pumpkin pie during the holidays, and a little chubby. We have to do a little more exercises and stuff, but we good. I'm not going to show you my Buddha belly right now because it's bad. Anyhow, what else? Yeah, I mentioned Patreon. It's good. Me and Eli good. My new little jig. That's real. See, that's real Workshop Wednesday stuff right there. What's happening? But anyhow, old Pop turns 80 on Sunday, so we're gonna go see Pop this weekend. That's gonna be fun. We'll have a little birthday party for him, and people coming in. My arm's getting tired. I tell you what, I ain't done this in a while. I gotta switch arms on y'all. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna go see my dad and have a big time. Gonna be lots of people there, and that'll be fun. They're bringing some artwork. It's all kinds of cool stuff. So that's fun times coming. We'll be back to the normal routine come next week. Progressing along, see what happens. Working on the TCA bit. This bit, not gonna be done this week. Got 40 hours a month that I'm working on them. So next month I should be wrapping it up, and that'd be cool. I'm excited to see it. All the inlays are in right now, and let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. Oh yeah, all the inlays are in, and we're getting it all cleaned up and trimmed up, and so that's what I'm doing up here on the top edge is let's see, like right here, it's not cut, but well, you can see it real good on this side. You cut the edges of it, clean it all up. So it's cut there, it's not cut there. So anyhow, that's what we're doing. Cleaning all this up, and then we'll do some engraving here, and we'll engrave all this up and engrave in there. Then the old mouthpiece, I don't know if I showed you guys this. I don't think I did. I forged that out, and man, that was fun. A cathedral. But that's all cut out of a piece of not cut out. I forged it out of a piece of 3/8 by 1 inch strap to make all that. And so, man, probably easier ways to do it. But for me, there's not a funner way. So that's all cool. And I also did a Patreon on how to do these crickets right here, the inlays on the cricket. And I've been not fighting, but I've been exploring that method of inlay for many years. And so I think I found that's the most efficient way to date. We'll do it again and see what happens. But there's a Patreon video and all that. So anyhow, life is fun. I'm enjoying my world, enjoying my shop, having lots of fun learning and sharing that with everybody. So y'all got something, holler at me. I did get a haircut today for all you haircut Nazis that worry about my hair condition. It's all good. It's still getting a little thin back here. Katie's got me on some shampoo. Maybe it'll make it grow. Don't matter. We're still having fun in the shop. We'll see y'all next week. Adios.